Hello everyone, welcome to CONNIEMARTS TV. So in this video we will be making this hot milk cake, guys. It's looking so yummy. I want to say thank you to everybody, new and old subscribers. I really appreciate your continued support. This channel won't be without you. Thank you. Hi guys, so this is going to be our ingredients for our hot milk cake in a blender. Okay, so I've got my pinch of salt, 3 tablespoons of butter, that is melted butter. Okay, and I've got 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and this is 1/4 cup of oil. You can use any kind of oil, and I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. You can use any kind of essence. Okay, and this is 1/4 cup of sugar, and I have 2 eggs. I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and this is my half cup of milk. Okay, guys, so let's dive into the video. Alright guys, so our hot milk cake is ready, guys. So I covered it with the foil, so that the heat will be able to cook or bake the top. Yes guys, so this is it. Yeah, so the brown color or the golden color all depends on you, okay? Even though it might be cooked, but depends on the kind of golden you want it to look, okay? So fluffy and nice, guys. Yep. Let's do the cutting. Let's do the cutting and see. Oh my. Chai. That's really hot. Yep, so fluffy, nice and yummy. Looking so yummy, guys. So yummy, so fluffy. It makes it easy to cut in the sizes that you want. Yep. It's really so easy and simple, nice recipe, guys. So you want to try this at home, okay? You want to try it at home. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos from CONNIEMARTS TV, and I will see you next time. Bye.